experienced fighters in the history of Pakistani boxing, make his comeback to Pakistani boxing after a very long layoff, taking on a very tough Thai opponent and getting the victory as well. This is UW Promotions, Usman Wazir Promotions, and it is the proud host of tonight's event. This promotion has been around for the last 4 years under the banner of UW Promotions and has been doing everything in its power to make sure Pakistani boxing can be elevated to the next level. This promotion has helped start the careers of so many incredible Pakistani boxers, such as Sajjad Hasan,